What's up, Summit? Kumar. What's up, bro? What's going on, man? How are you? How are you, big man? What's going on? What's up, Midhun? Midhun. Probably saying that wrong, but what's happening, bro? This is GJ, my guy. GJ. Just setting up my trade for the day. What's up, Nimbus? My brother shorted GJ at 183 653 183 653. Oh, so you're, where was your stop loss, Summit? What's up, Hussein? What's up, man? What is going on, my guys? What's happening, people? It's a beautiful day here in Melbourne, Australia. Summer is coming. If you guys could like the YouTube video as well while you're here, it doesn't cost anything. That would help the stream out a lot. We're playing basketball. I'm just going to do this real quick. This will take me 2 minutes. Just to set this up. And we should be good to go. Cool. I'm going to... He didn't have a stop loss. I mean, I can't advise you on that, my guy. This is yesterday's high. Right, so what has happened is we've broken and retested yesterday's high. So you can wait and see what happens around this level. But my bias for today is buys to continue this uptrend that we are now seeing. With broken daily structure, with retested, and now we're pushing potentially bullish, but I won't be triggered in until over here somewhere. So 184301. So it's up to you what you want to do, man. This is if you want to be a forex trader, you have to make these decisions for yourself. And I can't make those decisions for you, man. I have no idea why you took the trade. If it's you or your brother, I have no idea why you're in that trade. I don't know your analysis. I don't know your strategy. So you have to deal with it, bro. You have to make that decision. And if you don't know if you should get out of the trade or not, if you don't know what you should do, you said, now what should I do? Exit or wait? If you don't know that, then you shouldn't be trading at this point. You shouldn't have entered the trade in the first place. If you don't know where you're gonna get out, if you don't know where your stop loss is, where you're gonna exit, where you're gonna enter, then you shouldn't be trading at all. All right, stop trading. Take your money out of your account, put it in your bank, buy yourself a nice coffee, and save your money. Right, stop wasting your money because you don't know how to trade. Obviously, you need to make these decisions for yourself, my brother. I can't help you with that. I have no idea about your strategy. I have no idea about why you entered the trade, your analysis, nothing. So I can't give you any advice, man, unfortunately. We're playing basketball. Yeah, I did see that, Nimbus. We do have GDP. I have traded during GDP before. I don't think... I'm not too worried about it, but we'll see what starts to happen with price when we get closer to the news dropping. This is my first session with you. I appreciate all the great work that you do. I am fairly new to trading. Your videos have helped me understand a lot. Oh, that's good, man. That means a lot to me. Thank you. I appreciate those words, Hussein. Your movies. Today's GJ setup. This isn't being posted in the free Telegram because you guys over there can't get my video to 100 likes. So until we get this video to 100 likes, then there's going to be no free setups in the free Telegram, right? Which one? This one. How many we got? We got 69, so we need around 31 more likes, and then I'll start posting free setups again. But cheat code, don't tell anyone. If you come watch the stream, you'll get the setup anyway. What I've started doing with the VIP channel now is posting my entries for my swing trades. So these guys will know exactly when I enter all my swing trades. Which I'm not going to show you guys. We're playing basketball. Do you prefer to swing trade, Hussein, or are you more of a intraday scalper kind of trader? Which one? Did you catch any trades yesterday? No, not yesterday. Not yesterday, bro. GJ was absolutely dead yesterday. This is yesterday. Right here. Nothing happened. Low volume. We had some volume in this candle. Price drove up, but then just drove all the way back down. So there was no trade yesterday. No volume, no momentum, no direction, no price action, just sideways, low volume. Did you catch any trade yesterday, Nimbus? Nimbus 3000. Isn't that from Harry Potter? Four pips on GU Sal, and yep, that's where I got the name from. Harry Potter. Nice, 40 pips on GU, man. I've never really. I can't get into trading GU. I don't know what it is. It's never. I don't know. I just prefer GJ a lot more. That a young and never seen before. I say yeah. Yeah, GBP. I don't think because that gold is confidence, but it's tricky trade. Yeah, it is. I find it tricky. And you just don't get enough, like, it doesn't move enough for me. Like, for example, on GJ, if you get a big move, you can catch like 60, 70 pips. On GU, on a big move, you catch like 40 or so pips. Yeah. I wonder if I can like find an example here. Winner, chicken dinner, GBP, USD. So where did we take our last trade? It was down on GJ. Namaste Shiva. Shivira. Shivara. Shivara. I think it's Shivara, isn't it? Shivara. All right, so this is GJ, for example, right? And we had these sales here, right? When was this? This was on Thursday. We took these sales. We had our stops above previous structure. We went for a 1-to-1, right? 45 pips. So that was Thursday. See, this didn't set up on Thursday though, but you see, look at this whole move down here on GU is 35 pips, right? From this previous level, from this previous low to this low, this is 33 pips. The same move on GJ, right? This is Thursday, the same move. If we was to measure it from this low down to this low, it's 65 pips. So it's literally double, right? You get double the move on GJ, sorry, than you do as GU, right? This is 33 pips from that low to this low, and it's the same move, right? It sells off the same as GJ. You get a big move down, but on GU you get 33 pips. On GJ for the same move, the exact same move, you get 65 pips. So that's why I prefer to trade GJ. Looks, in that perspective, GU does look constipated. Hussein said, I am more of an intraday kind of trader. I like to close my positions before London ends. And since I work remotely in California, so I kind of see how price reacts in different sessions. And based off that, I make my buys. Yeah, that's good, man. London session. So I like to close my position before London ends. Okay. So before New York session opens, is that what you mean? If the previous supply breaks, market will search for another supply zone. Yeah, I have no idea about supply zones. Never traded them. Never will trade them. But yeah, interesting. And based off that, I make my buys and enter after first hour of London session, depending on if it's above or below New York midnight. Okay, that's interesting. So you're talking about the previous New York midnight? So what you do is, for example, you will go, so New York high, for example, here, you will mark this out. And if price is above it, like here, you will look for a bullish hourly candle to continue bullish. Is that what you're saying? After first hour of London session. Okay, so you'll enter down here somewhere. Here's New York low based New York midnight. Yeah, okay, so for example, here you would enter a sell. Are you talking about this, like this background color? So Asian, London, New York. Is that what you're talking about? Shibara. So this is just sessions indicator. So it's okay, indicators not loading. Here we go. So if you go in here and you just put in sessions, it's this one, JRFX addict, and that will just give you your sessions. I want to change the color of these. Asian session, New York session, green. Three hours before London starts, we will note the price and draw a line there. After 4 hours, when we are 1 hour past London, if the price is above that line, with the bias is bullish and vice. Oh, okay. Interesting. I love hearing everyone's different strategies. It's awesome. You're barely holding on to your heart. GJ, yeah. Oh, my voice is terrible, mate. I've tested it on gold, and I'm not sure if it will go, if it will on GJ2. Yeah, I mean that's the same for me. You know, I have different strategies for gold and different strategies for GJ. Interesting. This probably looks really like confusing and stuff right now, but I understand. I understand what is happening. Could be a nice little scalping strategy here. Catching 10, 15, 20 pips. Or getting better entries and a better risk reward ratio for our current strategy. What are your confluences when entering a trade? Trend. Or should I'll rephrase that, market structure. So market structure, it has to be in a certain direction, like higher highs, higher lows, with bullish or bearish, multiple bullish or bearish candle closes. We're looking for momentum. We're looking for direction. We're looking for trading at the right time of the day. This exact time of the day is the same time that I trade every single day. I will never trade before or after this time. Key levels. What else? Yeah, those are the main ones really. Market structure, momentum, direction, price action, timing, like session or time of the day. Yeah. But that's just pretty much my strategy. It's not really my confluences. That's just more so my strategy. So we could enter right here. So we'd get triggered in there. Our stops would be below this one, our candle. Like if we entered here, our stops would be below this hourly candle for 10 pips. And then we would be looking at around about 25 pips. It's not bad, man. It's not bad. Bearish. But that wouldn't be a trade because it breaks the high. So no trade. No trade. So here we would have a bearish closure, So you could potentially enter here. Your stops would be above here, 20 pips. And then your would be 40 pips. So you'd be looking at a 1 to 2. 40 pips down here, 1 to 2. Interesting. Wonderful, nothing. Them all down. Noting them all down. Sorry, I just read that completely wrong. Yeah, my strategy is pretty simple. Hussein. It's just basically trend. Like it doesn't have to be like in a trend for like 5 weeks or 2 weeks. Like I'm just looking for a short-term trend for the day, like the daily trend. Where is price trending on that exact day? So for today, price is trending bullish, as you can see, right? We've got highs, we've got lows, highs, lower lows. Sorry, lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs. So I'm just looking for that trend to continue. So we've got our trend, we've got structure, right? So here's our structure. If price breaks this level here now to the downside, if price comes below here, that's broken structure. and we will not be looking for buys anymore. We're looking for, you know, momentum. We've got current momentum to the upside. As you can see, we're currently trending bullish. All right, we're like heading upwards. We've got a break of previous daily high, right? So here's previous daily high right here. We've broke it. We've kind of retested it. So we've got momentum to the upside. We've got short-term bullish trend. We've got candles closing bullish, like significant candles that I look at, hourly, 4-hourly, 12-hourly, daily candles closing bullish. And now what we're looking for is price to continue during this exact session, because now this is pre-London, so we're leading into London Open, and so we're looking for that volume to start coming into the market, so it can take our trade up and take profit quite significantly. Yeah, basically can't. We're looking at the trend during Asian session, right, for the day so far, and price is currently trending bullish, right? Now, there is times that price will be trending bullish during Asian session to create a pullback, and then price will reverse and break trend to the downside, and you'll start to see all that volume come in. But for the most part, if price has already made a lower wick for the day, then like a lower daily wick, and starts driving up, for the most part, you will see that price is will continue in that trend enough to give us our trade anyway. Over 6 years, Khan. Over 6 years. It's been a long time, man. It's been a long journey, but we're getting there. We are getting there, my brother. Yeah, you can add as many complemences as you like, Hussein, you know, for your own strategy. As many as you like. As long as they make sense, as long as the complemences make sense with your overall trading plan and your strategy, then you can add as many as you like. But if you're starting to add complemences that just don't make sense for your strategy and are not really you know, it's not really fitting, and it kind of seems a bit out of place from your strategy, then there's no point in having it. Like, for example, with my strategy, I trade the trend, so there's not really any point in me having EMAs or SMAs or what's the other one? What's that other popular one now? Indicator. VWAP, right? There's no point of me having these indicators on my chart, because I trade the trend anyway. So if I was to say, like, I'm not taking a trade unless price is above the 20 EMA, for example, most of the time price is above the 20 EMA when I'm looking for a trade anyway, because price is trending in a direction that will have it above the EMA. So there's no point in me having that as a complement, because yeah, you know, I'm already trading the trend. If that made sense. Aye, Captain. I can't hear you. I said aye, Captain. Sorry, I need to stop biting my nails. I'm terrible at biting my nails. Anybody else here bite their nails? I'm fully like it. I can't stop doing it. I've tried everything. It's just a habit now. It doesn't. It doesn't, Nimbus. Like, I've tried everything. And the bad part about it is that most of the time when I'm doing it, I don't even realize that I'm doing it because it's got to that point now where it's just part of me, you know? Like, I'll be sitting there biting my nails for an hour and I won't even realize that I've been biting them for an hour, you know? Like, it's just part of, it's part of my DNA now. I just can't, I can't get rid of it. I've tried that nail polish, which tastes disgusting, and it's supposed to like stop you from doing it, but I literally just ate through it. I just ate through that nail polish, and it was disgusting at first, but I just ate through it, and then eventually I just got used to the taste, and so I was basically just poisoning myself because it just didn't stop me. I have to be more conscious that I'm doing it, you know. I need to work out. I haven't worked out today. Yeah, well, that's what I've always said as well. Like, I rarely ever get sick, and I always put it down to the fact that I bite my nails because my immune system is just constantly fighting stuff because of I just always bite my nails. So like my immune system's like healthy, you know. I need to stop saying like so much. Like. Yeah, my immune system's pretty healthy because of the fact that I bite my nails. I believe so, anyway. I hope my daughter doesn't get this from me. She's got a lot of things from me so far, so the grime and dirt makes you strong. I can feel it slipping away. Let me know how. I don't trade fair value gap, but I believe just by looking at the chart, are you talking around what? Wait, what? Oh, 4 hour time frame. Okay, yeah. I was gonna say what time frame you're looking at. Are you talking about like this one right here? I don't even know. Is that what you call a fair value gap? We have an ICT trader in the house. Yeah, I don't trade fair value gaps, man. I don't trade like that. But yeah, you mean go for it. I have no idea about fair value gaps, but that looks like something that would. I have like watched 1 or 2 videos on it in the past, but I've never traded it. I've done 17,693 steps today so far. 17,000 steps today. Come on, GJ, what are you going to do today? If price breaks this structure to the downside, then there's going to be no trade for the moment. And we just keep playing the waiting game here with GJ. Till she wants to provide us with a good setup. Yeah, it's a lot of steps. I could feel it slipping away. That's one way of staying ahead. How many steps? 17,693. 17,000, almost 18,000 steps. Because I only intraday trade one pair, can't I? Only intraday trade GJ. I swing trade almost every other pair, but scalping, intraday trading, I only trade GJ. $17K. Yeah. Imagine I made $1 every step that I took. I think one day, let's have a look. Imagine just making $1 every step. 17. So why's my phone just frozen? Steps. So last week on Monday, I did 26,000 steps. My average this week is around 18,000. I've done 18,000, 18,000, 17,000, 17,000. 30,000 steps. A couple of weeks ago on the 19th of August. 30,000 steps. That's crazy. What pairs do you trade, Khan? Do you want us to look at any other pairs while we're here? That's a now biting performance. Oh, that's funny. That's actually a good one, man. That's actually good. Omar, you're a JPY. All right, let's take a quick look. I imagine it's going to be very similar to gbpjpy. Yeah, pretty much identical to GJ. So GJ, we're looking for buys. We got bullish market structure. We got bullish previous daily candle. We've broke and retested above yesterday's high, as you can see. Right, so this is yesterday's high. We have broke and retested it. We're coming back down potentially to have a deeper retest, which is probably going to break structure here, which means we won't have a trade. But I'm looking for buys today on GJ above this level of structure to continue bullish in this overall uptrend. Right, price is just slowly making its way up, so I'm looking to ride that up. So the same would apply on Euro JPY. Yeah, we have a bullish previous daily candle. We're starting our uptrend. We've got nice structure here, right? We've got lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We also have a higher low here, which price has broken on GJ. It hasn't yet on, on Euro JPY. It hasn't yet on GJ. So that's interesting. Price, we'll see if price closes below here on Euro JPY in 9 minutes. But price is basically, bullish. It's making its way bullish slowly. We got nice market structure. We've got momentum to the upside with the daily bullish candle. We've got 4-hour candle closures bullish. We've got 1-hour bullish candle closures. We're making nice market structure. So all we're looking to do is continue that bullish market structure to the upside and take advantage of the buys to continue bullish, right? Unless GJ breaks this level here, this break of structure, no trade level. And in that case, we'll delete our buy stops and we will potentially see what happens, and we'll look to get in later on or something like that. Omar, what's this doing? So we've also got yesterday's high right here, which your JPY could be coming down to test. Yeah. Brijesh, thank you for the sub. Appreciate you. Welcome to the stream. My guy, thank you for the sub, man. If you guys wouldn't mind liking the live stream as well, that will help us help the channel grow a little bit. You don't have to. Jij. Yeah, if you've already liked this stream, then don't press the like button, because that means you're just gonna unlike it. Afiz, what's up? Good morning, sir. How are you? Looks like might be no trade here at the moment on GJ if we tap into this level. Man, this week's been boring. No action this week on GJ so far. I'm good, bro. Thank you for asking. I'm very good. Let's take a look at the weekly real quick. Oh my god, this shit a mess. I might just delete all this shit off my chart. So if we take a look at the weekly, you know what? Let me do it on this one. If we take a look at the weekly on GJ, we can see that we are tapping into this support with broker's resistance. We're tapping a support. We have broken previous weekly lows. We've had a lot of rejection weeks to the upside here. So if we scroll out left, price looks like it's coming into this resistance over here on the weekly time frame, which was a potential head and shoulders over here, right? We got boom, head, shoulder kind of pattern right at this level. If we extend this out, did price tap in? Price did tap into that level. As you can see, we've had 1, 2, 3 spikes. Price has tried to continue bullish here. It's rejected all the way back down. And now this weekly candle has broke previous weekly lows. But we have rejected back up at this point. Back above potentially this level. So we haven't really made a top wick for the weekly. So we could potentially flip bullish at this point and come back up. Maybe even drive up to fill some of this top wick a little bit. Let's take a look at the daily. What's the daily doing? So the daily has kind of, it's broke that previous weekly low, but it's kind of tested it and now it's pushing back bullish. We do have a bullish daily daily candle at a support zone. Looks like GJ crossed that level, so no trade on GJ today. That's all yet. We'll see what happens. We do have delete. We do have GDP coming up in 3 minutes, so we'll see how price reacts around this level. So yeah, the daily is, from the daily time frame perspective, we are kind of like, we've broken, retested this level, we've retested it twice, now we've come back down for a deeper retest. We haven't closed below this level, and now we've rejected, breaking previous weekly lows, but kind of bouncing off it and pushing bullish. So overall prices, I mean, it is in a range at the moment, right? We're in like consolidation in here. We've hit a major resistance, but we're also testing on quite significant support as well. So it's going to be interesting to see where GJ goes from here, right? If it starts to break down, we might see that short-term or kind of medium-term trend happen in here. And again, the same thing could potentially be happening at this level with what happened over here, right? Head and shoulders type thing, right? Boom, boom, boom. So far at this level, we've got shoulder here, potential head, and then break underneath. Boom, test to go bearish. Not that I trade head and shoulders, but it is quite it's a good pattern to trade, and it works out quite a few times. I don't trade it, but it'll be interesting to see what happens around GJ. But for the most part, yeah, we kind of got this level that price has broken and kind of retested, as you can see. Break, retest, like this level of structure in the market right here, which is potentially gonna send price down. But yeah, all we can do is wait and see at this point. We've got GDP news here in 1 minute. Let me open Forex Factory. Oh, there we go. Price. Yeah, there we go. So it turns out GDP, you know, reacts to the market. Are you on the NZD trades idea you dropped yesterday? NZD USD, was it? NZD USD, yeah. No, I'm not on that. I do have it open on this chart over here. So this was what I was talking about yesterday. Price is rejecting this level, so I'll be waiting for my confirmation in here to take buys up, but I don't have that confirmation yet. But I am now posting my swing trade entries in the VIP channel. We have a VIP swing channel right here, as you can see. I opened that today. So in the VIP group, you have the GJ trades and also the swing trades. I will post the swing trades setups for free in the free Telegram, but I won't post when I enter them, right? When I'm exactly entering them, I'll be posting those in the VIP, and you'll still get GJ trades in the free Telegram as well if we get that YouTube video to 100 likes, which we have not yet. GDP right here, so negative news, so that's why you saw a reaction, a strong bearish reaction here on GJ. So this move down you're seeing right now is high impact news, GDP on pound. That's why we've had this volume come in, if any of you guys are wondering. Yeah, no trade fees. We were looking for buyers, but we've had GDP news come out here, which has been negative. So price is pushing down. Price is reacting to the news, some negative news for the pound, and that's why we're seeing this drive down here. So yeah, nothing happening at the moment. Not all the time, fees, not all the time. But majority of, figuratively speaking, if you have negative pound news, that means that you know, really the pound gets weaker because it has negative economic data, which means that the pound should go down, but it doesn't always work that way. That's why I say, and I'll always say, it's better to wait until after news and then trade, right? So you can see what the numbers are, what the data is, if it's negative, and then if the market reacts with that news and turns bearish, then you can start looking for your sell trades or whatever it may be. But I would never recommend going off the data and seeing that, okay, we have negative data, so I'm going to short pound, because it sometimes works out that way, but it sometimes doesn't. It's kind of a 50-50. Oh, Summit, yeah, you managed to get out, yeah? Yeah, you got some negative news here on pound, so yeah, price drove down. So you managed to get out that. Also, the overall trend is also bearish, so yeah, not this session was very important. Yeah, overall, well, it is and it isn't, because that potentially has flipped at this point, because we have kind of these highs right here, this kind of resistance, that we have this low right here, and what happened was price made this resistance, came down, it didn't break this low down here, right? We've got this low, this market low right here. Price didn't break it, we tested it, and then we broke structure to the upside. So potentially what could happen is price could come back down into this level, and then we could see a continuation bullish, or we could see a big rejection here coming, and then price flip bullish potentially, or retest of this level. But from the daily perspective, potential structure has been broken, but now we just need to see what happens with this news to see if it is going to continue bearish or if it's going to flip and go bullish. So we'll just need to wait and see at this point. But yeah, mainly really the trend is down at the moment, but we have signs of that bearish structure being broken and price potentially being flipped bullish at some point. But obviously with this news now, with this GDP news, I'm not really sure what's going to happen from here, because it is negative pound. So we just got to wait and see. We have to wait and see, my brother. He told me he took it desperately, and he's saying that I'm 100% sure it will go down. I mean, if he's 100% sure, then I mean, I don't think anybody can be 100% sure in trading. But you can have your strategy, and you can have your confluences, and you can have your, you know, your kind of edge in the market, which can give you confidence that you think price is going to go up or down. But I don't think any trader will ever really say, any real trader will ever really say, I think it will go down 100%, or I think it will go up 100%, you know? You just can't really say that. Might have an insider, yeah. Man, last week was awesome. Beautiful trades last week. Look at these trades last week. I mean, we had a loss here, but 3 winning trades. Beautiful market structure, beautiful price action, momentum, volume, everything worked out perfect. Today, or this week so far, we've had absolutely nothing. Price is going sideways. So yeah. He's not a trader. Well, if he's taking a trade on the foreign exchange market, then he's got to be some kind of trader, right? He's a gambler. Aren't we all, brother? What a beautiful trade. Bum, bum, bum. That would have been nice. That would have been a very tight stop loss. Ah, I love swing trading. I love swing trading. No, I don't use Fibonacci. I usually do 2%, but you can have anything 1 to 3%, but I mainly do 2%. Sometimes 3%. Your stop loss is 40 pips, Shivaro. For which trade are you talking about? Oh, we got CPI on pound, on USD today. So I would recommend not trading USD pairs today. That includes gold. I would stay away from all USD pairs today because we have CPI. Guys, don't follow me. Stop loss is very big. My stop losses are 1-to-1, bro. Your comment makes no. Your comment is irrelevant, Tiger. My stop. It doesn't matter how big your stop loss is if you're risking 2% of your account. If you're only risking 1 or 2% of your account, you could have 100 pip stop loss, and as long as you're risking 1 or 2%, you're still gonna lose 1 or 2%. Your stop loss is irrelevant. Your stop loss doesn't matter as long as you're risking 1 or 2% of your account. You could have a 500 pip stop, but if you're risking 1%, you're still gonna lose the same amount of money. Guys, don't. Guys, this guy's just trolling. He's literally trolling. He's a clown. He keeps saying my VIP group is $65, but it's literally $25. And we haven't had a loss in the VIP group yet because there hasn't been any trades. I only started it yesterday or the day before. So which pair are you talking about, Shivara? Retracement? So you're talking about like a Fibonacci? Yeah, exactly, Hussein. And that's what he doesn't understand. This guy was in my stream yesterday just like talking shit, saying that my VIP group is $65 when it's literally $25. Like he has no idea what's going on. Cody's not a trader. Okay, bro. Tiger, I literally, in the free Telegram last week, I literally called out 3 winning trades for free, right? And 1 loss. I literally did this live for free in the free Telegram. And then the week before that, I had 2 winning trades and 1 break even called for free live in the free Telegram. So where's how am I losing trader? Like, and this week there has been no trades, none. And he still thinks my VIP group is $65, $67 when it's $25. What did he, which one? Which question, Hussein? Which question did he ask? Look, I showed him this yesterday as well. But I'll show it again, why not? Here we go. Here's my Telegram. Right? Price $25. Right here. It says it right here, Tiger. 25. Not 65. 25. You can't even get the basic things right. Block him? No, I don't care. It's funny. It's funny, man. I'm not gonna block anybody. He can say what he wants. What he doesn't understand is that by commenting on my stream, it's getting me more exposure. So he can comment all he wants. He's helping the stream grow. By hating, he's actually helping me. So he can hate all he wants. I said, if I may ask, your stop loss are big, to which answer fits. Yeah. Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah. But I wouldn't necessarily say my stop losses are big. Like, that's all relative. Like 45, 50 pips, 35 pips, 35 pips, 50, 40, 40. Block him, let's focus on the chart. He's the clown. Nah, I'm not going to block him. He can talk all he wants. He's helping my YouTube channel grow. It's actually funny. Don't you think? Come on, give me a retest of this level. Euro USD didn't quite come into this level before it dropped. All the best with your channel. Thank you, Arun. AN didn't quite get an entry yet. We might get one in here. Same as NZD CAD. These are swing trades as well, by the way. Swing trades, which I posted in the free Telegram yesterday. GU. Yeah, see, GU tapped into my area, but it just didn't quite give me an entry, really. We got a retest. We got a break and retest of this level, but not enough of a retest for me to enter a trade, which would have been beautiful right now. It's moved around about 100 pips from that level. Are you talking about this one, Shivara? I usually only get excited for a trade if it is 1 to 2 R at least, but again, that's how I trade, and I do see by having more, you can have more room and not get. Yeah, exactly. Hussein, and I mean, you know, this is the beautiful world that we live in, where we have all different types of people, right? And my opinion is going to be different from your opinion, and your strategy is going to be different from my strategy. It doesn't mean that it's wrong. It doesn't mean that it doesn't work, but it's just different, and it's how I prefer to trade, and there's, you know, and that's how you prefer to trade, right? And that is just what it is. Afiz, don't worry about this guy, man. Just laugh at him, you know, it's funny. It's actually funny. What's happening with GJ? Yeah, still dropping. Exactly. My chart color, the background. The background or the candles? Yeah, Nimbus, like, as I was watching all. Okay, give me 1 second. I was watching this video the other day where someone said if you're successful and you're getting this much love, like the love goes so much this way, you've got to expect the hate to also go so much that way. You know what I mean? So if you're getting this much love, you know, you're gonna get this much hate as well. So it's all good, bro. So these are colors. Yeah, these are my own colors that I've put in. You can see right here. So it's is it that one? I don't think it's that one. Maybe it is that one. So there's the code right there. 5 CE 1 E6. That's for my bullish candle. Oh, now you know what? If you're gonna start talking shit about my people in my chat, bro, then I am gonna ban you. You can talk shit to me all you want, but if you're gonna start talking shit to other people in the chat, then I'm gonna ban you, bro. Simple as that. Goodbye, bro. You can chat shit to me all you want, brother, but you're not chatting shit to the people in my chat. No way. Okay, brother. Yep, you're getting banned and reported. What a loser this guy is, man. This guy. That's the background color there.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Stream. Are you streaming? Daddy stream. I just forgot. She only slept for 37 minutes. Alright, Mia. Hey. Fine. Fine. Hi, baby kid.
Do. Okay. Yeah, that's the background color. Shah. Uvesh. That's the background color there. And then the bearish candle is just white. It's just a white color. Cody's legacy. Yeah. Hello. Thank you for saying, yeah, it's my daughter, Summer. You have 2 daughters? Oh, nice, man. Yeah, daughters are amazing. They're the best. She's been out in the sun. Haven't you? No, we won't put that on. You're inside now. Thank you, Nimbus. 1 sec, I'll be back.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Baby trader, yeah. We're going to teach her young. Teach them young. By the time they're 15, 20, they'll be making millions, man. All right, yeah. So I don't. Obviously, nothing's happening at the moment on GJ. We just need to see what happens, because for me, how I trade, there's no. We need to wait for some kind of bearish structure to form, and then we can look to get in. But at the moment, we've broken this kind of short-term bullish trend. So we need to wait and see, for me, if there's going to be bearish trend form, and then we will see what's going on. And then we have our swing trades where not much is really going on at the moment. But yeah, GJ, not really much happening. We have this beautiful mouse feed. May Allah bless her with long, health, prosperous life. May she get everything that she ever dreams of. Amen. Oh, thank you. I'm saying that's really nice, man. You seem like a very good person. Obviously, you have your own family, so you understand what it's like to have kids and everything you want to provide for them, and you want to be the best person possible, and you want to do right in the world and show her what a good role model is, you know. So I appreciate those words, man. Those are very nice words. Long. I did. That's the blue one, yeah. So this one. Is it not this one? 5 CE 1 E6. Is it that one? Five CE 1 E6. Oh, the music went off. Sure. That's just white. That's just this first white one right here. F. It's just the first white selection right there that you can do. That's the short one. Stop biting your nail. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day here. I've been streaming for an hour and a half. Not much is going on. I was looking for buys. I did have a position ready today. I was looking for buys above this level to continue this bullish short-term trend, as well as momentum from the daily chart. We had a previous daily bullish candle closure. During Asian session today, price broke above previous daily high and retested it. We have nice market structure forming, and then I was expecting price here to continue bullish, pushing up into these overall highs and potentially above. But obviously we had GDP, some high impact news on the pound. which has now come out with negative numbers, which has then pushed price down here on pound, with the pound getting significantly weaker, of course, because of that negative news. So in order for me to take a trade, I would have to see some kind of structure, some ongoing structure being formed, and I can't really make a decision based off of this sharp sudden move down, because this is based off of news and not market structure, not price action or technical analysis. It's based off fundamental analysis. So therefore, currently I'm not really looking at anything. We didn't lose. We didn't take a trade today, Ralph. We didn't take one today. We had buys, but we didn't get triggered. Right? So there was no trade today. But I'm not looking for anything yet until I see some market structure form. Right? We want to see a trend form and structure form in a direction. But yeah. Why did I start making live on YouTube? Why not? You know, I just thought, why not? A lot of people were asking me on Instagram and stuff like that if I do live trading. So I call all my trades out free in my free Telegram anyway. So I just thought I might as well just live trade and do it and have a chat with you guys. I've showed you, brother, like 3 times. It's just this white one right here, right? That is it. Just that white one right there. That is my short candle color, white, straight white. All right, white, white, white. Just click this one right here and you'll have it. Best of luck, man. Thank you for your time. Always try and join this around the same time. Yeah, I'll be live pretty much at this exact same time most days, Monday to Friday. Yeah, exactly, Hussein. Exactly. Are you in the free Telegram, Hussein? Okay, no worries. Yeah, awesome. Awesome. But yeah, Ralph, we haven't had a trade today. We've had no trades today. We was looking at potential buys above this level, right? But I wanted for price to come above this level, right? But it didn't. It came down due to news, right? GDP news being negative, price came down. So no trade today, brother, yet. I need to stop biting my nails, stop biting my nails, stop biting my nails, stop biting my nails, stop, 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 stop. Oi, oi, oi. Oh my god. I just go straight back to doing it. I'm addicted. Deep into the skin. I do sometimes end up biting the skin around my nails when I'm just like doing it without realizing. But most of the time it's my nails. It's so bad. I need to stop. I've been doing it since I was like 15 though, so funny as character. I mean, I can imagine it, Cody. That one Trader Who Bites now. So yeah. Hassan, I've tried everything. I've tried everything. I tried the nail protection, but that didn't work. I just ended up biting through it, and yeah, it didn't work. Or chewing gum, yeah, I could do that, I suppose. Chew gum. That will kind of give my hands, like my mouth, that feeling of doing something. Go nowless. Yeah, or just chop them off. What's gold doing? Gold? Does anyone else trade gold in here? Oh, Ralph, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, when he gets to 100 likes, then I'll post the next signal in the free Telegram. But until then, I mostly trade gold. Yeah. Do you find gold has been like weird lately? Like it's been the price action I feel has been a bit weird. Like it's no volume, moving. Not moving as well as it usually does. Yeah, strong down. Yeah, yeah. We're playing basketball. Then it moved up to exact 618 on fib. The 4 was inevitable. It is because of strong US data. Yeah. You mean like this retracement right here? Yeah, I see that. Six one eight. And Fed declining to keep interest rates high for a longer period of time to bring down inflation. Yeah, exactly. Inflation and interest. Yeah, it's crazy what's going on right now. Yeah. Yeah, it's very volatile. The trick on gold is to get in and get out, you know? Unless you have big stops. Which people don't like. That's the number one comment I get. Why are your stops so big? Do 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 do. Let me take a closer look at this here on the 1 hour time frame. What's up, Shiv? Shiv number 2. Yeah, I always stream at this 3 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Mostly every day, like Monday to Friday. Do I trade SMC? No, I don't. I think there's somebody in chat who did though. Who was it? Who was talking about fair value gaps now? Was it you, Hussein? I think it was Hussein. I trade SMC. Yeah, there we go. I know you trade Shivang. There was somebody else in the chat as well who was talking about SMC stuff, I think. Fair value gap is SMC, right? Pretty sure. Yeah. You looking at GJ buys, Shivang? $15 demand. Is supply and demand zones SMC? I didn't know that. Oh, it is. I try mixing SMC with price action and get confluences by chart patterns and indicators like RSI and MACD. You're profitable with your strat? Are you talking to me or Hussein? But me? Yes, I am. If it wasn't profitable, I wouldn't trade it. And I definitely wouldn't be calling out my trades to over 900 people if I wasn't profitable, because that would just be embarrassing. I'm fairly new, learning every day. I'm waiting for a retest of that zone. Not necessarily, no. I'm just kind of chilling at the moment with you guys and seeing what's going on, but look where price is rejecting currently. Look at that rejection. Now it looks like it wants to break below potentially. Price closes below here, yesterday's LP, then we could see further downside into yesterday's daily lows. Oi, oi, oi. Nah, no trades yet. Shrey. Fuck, I'm terrible at pronouncing names, man. I'm sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. I'm really bad at pronouncing names. I am a profitable trader. That's what I like to hear. It's correct only. And that's good then. That's, yeah, I'm saying that's something that took me a long time, learning how to hold trades. That took me years. But now it doesn't really bother me. I can do that pretty easily. I'm waiting for a retest on GJ. No, I'm not waiting for a retest. Or look, price close below our liquidity pool just about. So yeah, you're gonna see potentially a fair bit of volume come in here now to drive price down. Do I journal my trades? I used to. I've stopped. I need to get back to doing it. I used to do it really well, but now I just, yeah, I need to get back to doing it. What happened was I used to do it on Excel, and then I completely forgot. Like, I got logged out, and then I forgot which email, because I've got like 20 email addresses. Like, I forgot which email I used. I don't even remember the password. Like, so I just need to start a new one, start like a new Excel or Google Sheets, and then start doing it again. But I had such a good template. It took me a long time to like do the template and stuff. So now when I think about it, I'm just like, oh, I can't be bothered, but I need to do it again. What do you include in my journal? So I'll take a screenshot, like boom, copy link of before the trade happens. So my analysis. Then I'll write what date I took the trade. Today's date, whatever the date is. I'll write what pair it is. Well, mainly now it's GJ. What pair it is. What time frame I entered on. What else did I do? Risk. What I risked 1 or 2% or 3%. My stop loss. My take profit in pips. Then if it was what kind of setup it was, like to do with my strategy, what kind of pattern or setup it was. Yeah, I involved a lot in my journal. And then of course, if it was a winning trade, a losing trade, or a break even, and how many pips it was, how many pips I made, and then a screenshot of the chart afterwards once the trade had finished. Yeah. And also which kind of setup it was, because I have a few different setups that I use depending on the time frame. And time frame, that as well. Time frame, you're saying. Yeah, so you take a snapshot of it before and after, so you can always look back on the chart and see your analysis before the trade happened and then after the trade happened. Even if it's a losing trade or whatever, you still do it. Oh yeah, so you write notes as well, like. Oh wow, yeah, that's a lot of information. Yeah. Snapshots are good because, you know, you can read all that information and really still not understand what happened during that time in the market. Whereas if you have a snapshot, you can actually look at the chart, you can look at all your notes and everything else, and you can put it all together, you know. Oh, all right, guys. Oh, I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna go spend some time with my daughter. Maybe go to the park, go on the swings, get some sun. It's a beautiful day here in Melbourne. Beautiful day. And we'll keep an eye on the charts, but there's probably not going to be much happening here on GJ today because of this news. So we'll wait and see. I hit doesn't, but it's been 2 hours already. Jesus. What did we even do for 2 hours? I don't even understand. We talked. But let's see what GJ brings us tomorrow. We've had a couple boring days so far this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, no trades yet, which was very different to last week. We had 4 trades. And then the week before that, we had 3 trades. So this so far this week, we got nothing, but that is trading. I'm not going to try and force a trade. I'm not into losing money. I'm into making money. So I'm not going to force any trades. We're just gonna let the market come to us, let GJ create a nice setup for us, and then we'll take it. But until then, I'm not interested in anything that happens here on GJ for now. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, 3 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. We will get down with the charts. And we'll have another chat. We'll hang out. But yeah, peace out, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the comments and the likes on the YouTube video, on this live video. You guys are awesome. I really enjoy hanging out with you guys and chilling. Let's see, how many did we get? 18 likes. Sheesh. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Yeah, Nick Sean, he always pops up on my YouTube. Nick Sean always pops up. This guy. This guy always pops up. Day Trading Addict. This guy always pops up. King Abe Forex. Yeah. All right, Hussein. See you later, man. See you later, guys. Thank you guys for chilling here with me, liking the stream and commenting. I appreciate you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Have fun. Stay safe. And don't overtrade. All right. See you later. Oh, remember the CPI news on USD tonight. There's high impact CPI news on USD, so I would recommend staying away from USD pairs. That includes gold. All right. Highly recommend staying away. All right. See you later, guys. Peace out.